Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a vertical line on your LibreOffice slide on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a vertical line on your LibreOffice slide, just going to show in this video. So we have arranged a lot of points here, so I just need a vertical line to split this. So how to insert the vertical line in LibreOffice, right? It's simple. You have this toolbar on the top. You can see there is a lot of tools on the top. First toolbar options, and here you can find insert line option. Just click this. Now you have another toolbar has been changed to the different. It's actually about the tools that align the line. So just click the line wherever you just need it. So just make a line like this. So you can just make it on a side angle, or you can just make it on the straight. You just select it. You have inserted the vertical line. If you just need to change the line state, you just click here, and you just need to change the color. You can just choose here, and also the size of the line can be increased or decreased from here. And this is the line color actually. So this is how we just insert line. You can just insert how many lines you just needed on those here. You can just insert lines like this. You can also delete the line. Just click cancel and just select the line you just need to delete, and just click on delete option on your keyboard. So this is how we just insert the vertical line on your LibreOffice site. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.